everyone, it's Barbara at BCsells. Welcome to a prime wardrobe unboxing and try on. Okay, why does my prime wardrobe come in a bag? Everybody else's that I've seen comes in a box. Oh well, it's okay. I think I only have 4 items in here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, okay. So with Prime Wardrobe, it's $4.99 a month. You have a stylist that picks out some items for you. They send you a preview and you can pick, I think, up to 8 items. And shipping is free to you and for returns. Here's my return label. Here are my items. They give you this nice little folder. So let's see what I got. This box is promising, or this bag, I should say. Let me show you. I'm going to show you the items real quick, and I'll put the name and the description up on the screen, and then when we do a quick review, I'll give you the pricing. So here's the first item. I like the sleeves on it. It's kind of thin, so I don't know. Okay, I've been asking for Skorts, and here, let's see, is this? Yes. Nice neutral color. Oh, looks like a great length. Has pockets here. It's got a nice stretchy material. Looks like it's got a little kick back here, slit. This one's navy. Oh, wow, this is short. I can tell you right now, that is too short. Yeah. I'll try it on. You never know. It sure is cute. It's a Skort. It's navy. It's got pockets. Scalloped hem. Wow. Yeah, that looks short. Oh, goodness. We have a pair of white denim. Okay, I'm over the whole white denim thing, but they're here, so I'll try them on. These are their Absolution, and they look like they look boot cut. So that could be, I don't know, they kind of look promising. Okay, let's get to the try on. Okay, I am actually wearing the Absolution itty bitty boot cut white pants, denim. I guess they're denim. They have a lot of stretch in them. They feel nice. They're a good length. What else can I tell you about it? Okay, this is my jacket from White House Black Market. Let me give you a closer look at the jeans. I think the length is perfect. These would be the shoes that I would take on vacation. I think they fit very well. They have like a stretch in here. It sticks out a little bit, but not much. They feel great. They really feel nice. I can feel the stretch in them. I mean, I've got, you know, some fluff going on, but you know, it is what it is. The stretch is nice. Depending on the price, these could be a keeper. Although I need your comments and I need to watch the video back. So let's try something else on. Pockets. Okay, let's talk about this top. This is very much my style. Very much so, but I'm not sure if you can tell. If you can see through it, I have a neutral bra on. So you would need to wear, at least for me, I would feel more comfortable with a cami underneath it. And I'm not sure if that's something I would want to wear. It depends on the price. Let's stop there. This is from Joe's. I love the sleeves on it. The length is great. It's a very easy, nice top that you can dress up or dress down. Okay, let's talk about this skirt by Tribal. It's a pull-on skirt. See, that's the thing, you guys. I pull these out of packages and I don't even really know what they're all about when I'm showing them to you guys. And then I go to try them on. I'm like, oh, I should have pointed this out. No zippers or anything. It's just a pull-on. It has a lot of stretch in it, thank goodness. It's got the nice pockets in the front. It's a perfect length. You could dress it up or dress it down. I had my wedges on and then I decided to see what it looks like with just some tennis shoes. Okay, here's the one thing it does. It scoots up a little bit here and puckers, but honestly all my skirts do that. So it's not the skirt's fault. It's gonna happen on me. This is really nice. Oh, it is a Skort. Whoops, where's the shorts? The shorts are short, but they're shorts. It's all stretchy. It's nice. Okay. The skirt. Oh, let's just say I attempted to put it on, and I did get it on. And at first I was like, oh, I hope this fits. Okay. First of all, the pockets here, which are really cute, like poked out, like, whew, like saying, Barbara, this skirt, I'm too small for you. All right, so then I thought, well, let's look in the mirror and see the length of it, because maybe I could size up. Oh my gosh, it is so short. It's like a mini when it got on me. It's shorter than it looks on here. And it's probably because my booty pulled it up, and of course my hips, because this is too small. It was so short. Like every step I took, the inside shorts part of it, and they're not stretchy. They just, no, it was not a good look. I thought, I'll go ahead and show it to you guys. And I looked in the mirror, I was like, oh, no. Okay, so these are definitely a no. They sure are cute. I'm happy to get a Skort. Okay, let's do a real quick review. Okay, we already said this is a no. Let me give you the price on it. It is $69.36. So it is nice material. Let me show you the material close up. Navy, this is a size 6. Okay, let's talk about this top while I have it on. The top is by Joe's Jeans, women's Kimber tee, size small, $22.97. Now, it's just too thin. Yeah. I've got other white shirts I'll reach for before I would reach for this, so I'll just save my $22.97. Okay, the pull-on skirt by Tribal, women's pull-on Skort, black, size 6, $59.50. $59.50. It's so versatile. So for basically $60, oh, it's got the little pleat, like the kick back here, a little slit. So I like it. I wish it was a lighter color, because with summer, I'd rather be able to take this on vacation and, just dress it up or dress it down. I don't know. Although it fits, I like it. I will get a lot of wear out of it. I'm gonna keep them. Yeah, I'm gonna keep them. Okay, because I have a feeling if I return them, I'll regret it, because it's so hard to find a Skort that fits. And you can dress it up and dress it down, like I'm repeating myself. Okay, boot cut. I thought they fit well. They felt great. They are, oh, let me see if I, okay, it either says 53 or 58, 82. The print is so small. And these are the women's cut jean absolution itty bitty boot, optic white, size 6. They felt good, and I know they'll stretch out. So I think for basically less than $60, I don't think that's a bad price. What do you guys think? I will do a Google search before I end up keeping them to make sure. but I like that it has this, you know, I really like the Absolutions because they just seem to, you know, they hug you and then they stretch with you when you get a little quarantine fluff going on. So I like that band a lot. So I don't know, they're the right length. These are a keeper. Unless you guys are like, oh, Barbara, they do not look right on film. Okay, so those are a keeper, I think. So I've got 2 keepers out of 4. That's pretty good. This would have been a keeper if it was a little bit thicker. So that's my Amazon haul. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours, and everyone be safe.